Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Hype's dad, aka or Tariq Mizan, aka Hype's dad. But I'm back with another tutorial. This time, I'm going to show you how to change. You see how on all the videos, the synth tubers, the YouTubers, all the guys who've had these since last year. Basically, they were like, "Hey, man, you can switch the effects." So, you know how it says filter, maybe you wanted to say something else. Or resonator, maybe you don't like resonator. I want something different, bro. I'll show you how to do that. So basically what you have to do is you have to hit shift and then 16. That brings you into the effect settings, the EFX setting. So what you do from there is you have to use this knob over here. One thing about this thing is that there is some menu diving, but it's a little different. How you get to it is you just click over, guys. So the first one will take us to our bus. This will take us to our bus 3. From here, you're able to change the bus 3 affected. That's our bus 4. But when we go past that, this takes us to what all of these right here become. So now you can go into that resonator and you can switch it. So let's say instead of a resonator, I want this to be a tape echo, or is there a tape delay? Tape echo is fine. I think the tape echo is the one I'm gonna go with. So yeah. So now I can put a tape echo right there where the resonator was. And now we still have sync delay, but maybe I don't want sync delay, or isolator. Maybe I don't want that. So for my filter, I changed it from the filter drive they had on here default to the super filter. Now I'm gonna try the tape echo, and I'm gonna start playing with these so I can see which ones that I really want in here. And then the mad thing about this is just these direct ones. You can still go one more and then get to your mute bus, your input effects. So this is where, if you want to put an effect on the input, this is where you do it. And then input bus, which bus you want to route that input through. So it's really cool. I'm just learning it more and more, but that's one of the menu diving things that you can do, guys. So that's the tip for today. You know how to basically switch all of these. So you go, and it's just in the 4 out of 5, the 4th page. You basically can switch whatever you want. So instead of an isolator, maybe we want to go DJ looper. Oh wait, that's next to it. What would I do instead of an isolator? Maybe I would do a reverb. Do like using reverb sometimes. A slicer. So there's so much stuff you can put on there, guys. A compressor. There's so many little things you can do with this. It makes it really powerful device where you can just like customize it. I feel like they took a little bit of the menu diving from a little more complex boxes, but it makes it where you can customize your stuff a lot more. And once again, just like how I said, you got your trigger. So if I hit shift and 15 and go into my pad settings, I still can go over where I can change the bus color, the dry color. I could change the pad colors, you know. So this is cool stuff that you might not get into because you hit whatever you hit on one of these things, like you hit the EFX and you don't even realize that it keeps going. All right, so that's something to do. One last thing about the EFX, let's say we were in the first one has a 303 Vine, and the second one is just multiple bypass. So to change that is just like how we said. We go over here, instead of that bypass, you put what you want it to be. So whatever you want it to be, guys. Bam. Phaser. It's in there. So now you have a phaser in there. So that's how you change that in there. You switch to the next page. So it's a little weird workflow, but once you get your mind around it, super easy, guys. So just wanted to do that real quick for you. Hope you're having a blessed one.